Hi guys, so I just got home from Target and happened to see a Young Living box on my steps. So I was excited because I actually got it early. It wasn't supposed to come till tomorrow, so I figured really quick before I have to get the girls from the bus, let me do a quick unboxing. So let me take all the crap, the packaging, but I mean, we got a good amount of stuff in here to go through, so let's go through it real quick. I'm excited. I'm gonna take out the stuff that was a promo. All right, so first I have a Thieves hand purifier. This comes in your starter kit if you are interested, but we ran out, so I wanted to get another one because these are great to have in the kids' backpacks or in my purse. I just love it, and the smell of the peppermint smells so good. See, I have a little guy there peeking in to say hello. But these are so much better than the Bath & Body Works ones, which I used to love and had a bajillion of them. So yeah, now we use these. Is this with this? I got a, I guess because I've been on ER with this account for 3 months. So every 3, 6, 9, and 12 months, they send you a free product for being on Essential Rewards. So that was kind of in there by itself. So I'm assuming it's this bag here. Oh, it's not this one. So I'm not sure what the free oil is. We'll have to find out. But in here I have grapefruit vitality, which I love grapefruit. Grapefruit is probably one of my favorite citrus oils that Young Living has. I like lemon, but I like lemon more so because I use it more for things. Grapefruit, I just love the way it smells. It smells so good. So let's keep digging through here. And then we got another Kid Sense toothpaste. My daughter loves this. My oldest is still kind of getting used to the taste of it. We're slowly ditching and switching our products, so she's kind of, you know, learning. So I've been actually putting a drop of orange essential oil on hers because orange naturally whitens your teeth, and she likes it better like that. But my middle child loves it, so that's good. What are you doing, buddy? And then we got the Kid Sense lotion again for my middle child. She has very sensitive skin, and so far we haven't had any problems with the Kid Sense lotions. And again, they're just filled with so many good things. Literally, like, it's so many oils and good stuff in here. The word fragrance isn't in here at all. So yes, good for her. She loves that. We got a Thieves cleaner, which this actually I ordered for a family member who was slowly starting to get interested into Young Living products. So I told her I would get her one to try out. So this is for her, and I ordered it with my order. And then we have a Thieves Veggie Soak. Love this stuff, so amazing. Like, I can't believe now that I use it, and it still amazes me every time I wash, like especially strawberries, how gross the water is. And I'm like, why wasn't I using this sooner? Love it, and it's crazy how long this bottle here will last you. So yes, good to stock up on these. Okay, and then I got a pack of the roller fitments, which these are just the little roller balls and tops that you get so that you can put them on top of your essential oil bottle and turn it into a roller, and then it has the top and everything to go with it. So that's awesome to have these on hand because there's some certain oils that you don't need to dilute. That is just great to pop it right on your bottle and take it on the go. So I got a pack of those. We got, oops, put that's a promo. I got 2 of the grapefruit chapsticks because the grapefruit is my favorite, and they did go out of stock on this a little bit ago, and I was nervous. I don't want to run out. I love this, so I have one in my backpack, my purse, my nightstand, everywhere. So those are good to have. What you got, buddy boy? And then we got the Dentrarome Plus. This is the one me and my husband use. I pretty much will have this in every ER order because we use it obviously every day, so you don't want to run out of your toothpaste. And then in here, ooh, I love how the oils come in these cute little, I think they're cute, paper towel looking holders. Oh, that must be the free oil because I don't remember ordering peppermint. That's it, buddy. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, you see that? Come on, this one doesn't want to come out. There we go. I got a big thing of lavender. Lavender is like a must-have. I actually carry a smaller, a 5 ml in my purse because this is literally the Swiss knife oils of all time. It is good for everything. Lavender is great for sunburn. It's great for kids' boo-boos. It helps to help when they have a scrape or an owie, it helps to soothe it. It's good for skin support, emotional support, sleep support, all the things. Lavender is great to have on hand. This is also good to help. I'm going to be making a homemade bug spray because lavender is good to help repel mosquitoes and stuff. So yes, and this is also in my mermaid spray. All the things. Lavender oil is definitely good to have. So we got a big one of that. Peppermint is the free oil for being on Essential Rewards. So that's awesome. And I got another one of these. And then Thieves. Again, you'll see that it's in all of my orders. We put a drop of this on our toothpaste every morning. This is in our immunity rollers that we make and we put on our spines and under our feet every night. So again, a good one to have. So the free promos that we got, I only did a smaller order, so I hit the 100 PV mark, which again, if you're like, what are you talking about? Basically, when you're a part of this, the subscription order, what's great about this is that you pick what you want each month. It's not like a subscription box that you get to your house and it's the same thing every month. You pick what you want in each box. So it's basically what we need or want. And then they have promotions for certain tiers. So 100 PV is basically about $100. You get something free. Then there's 190 PV, I think 2 something, and then 300, whatever. But basically the more you spend, the more free stuff you get. And then what's also cool is that you get percentage back, just like Target, except Target only gives you 5% back. Young Living gives you 10% back when you start, and then you work your way up. I think the top is 25% you get back after being on it for a certain amount, but that's amazing. So then you accumulate points and you basically get money back, and then you can use that money on the website and get stuff basically for free. All you have to pay is for shipping. So it's amazing. Like some people accumulate like a few $100s and get all this product for free just for being on Essential Rewards. The only thing that you have to do is you just have to spend a minimum of $50 a month. That's it. But it's amazing. Like, think about when you go to Target and stuff, what you're spending to get, you know, detergent, toothpaste, body wash, all that. You switch it and buy it from Young Living and you'll spend that $50 in no time, and it gets delivered right to your door. You don't even have to go anywhere. So it's great to be on Essential Rewards. I highly recommend it if you're thinking about it. I will leave my link below if you want to check it out, and if you're interested in getting your starter kit, message me and I can help you with all the things that you would need to know and get you set up. But anyway, so back to after my ramble, the Thieves Aroma Bright, which I've never tried this one. It's the little 2-ounce one. It's a cute little guy. This was free if you got 100 PV, so we'll have to try this one out too. This is actually good for traveling since it's only 2 ounces. It's probably good to fly with. But yeah, so that is everything I got in my order this month. So again, if you want to check out that link, I will have it down below, and we will see you guys soon. Have a great holiday weekend, and I'll see you in my next one. Say bye. Say, take Binky out. Say bye. Show that cute smile. Bye.